How to fix Prizepicks Withdrawal failed or not working. Now, if you're encountering this kind of experience, in this video, I'm going to be showing you basic troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix this issue. But first, a failed Prizepicks withdrawal is usually due to unmet playthrough requirements, account verification issues, or incorrect payment information. If you're receiving this kind of error message on the middle of verifying your account, maybe this one, or fail to verify identity, you won't really be able to withdraw any funds that you have from PrizePicks. However, if you already have those information and you're locked in, especially with the identification process of PrizePicks, here's how you can troubleshoot it. So if you're using Google Chrome on the web version of PrizePicks, go into PrizePicks official site, and before you logged in, click this option here. That's going to be the view site information. Click that, and then in here, choose on cookies inside data, and below choose on manage on device side data. So as you can see, there are a lot of options here, but what you want to do is just simply delete all this information here that will show up from your PrizePicks website or the on device side data. Once you've fully deleted it, click on done, refresh the page, relog in your account, and try to withdraw again. However, if you have a pending 24-hour time limit from a previous withdrawal, you really need to wait for 24 hours before you can withdraw again. And that's it. That's how you fix PrizePicks withdrawal failed or not working.